pulling to Mount Rainier. We're gonna hit up the Paradise Lodge. So I came out here to do a little bit of hiking and realized that planning and preparation is always key. So every place that I was thinking about hiking up here is covered in snow. So it's not a bad thing, it's just I don't have the right boots, the right pants, the right gear with me for cold weather stuff. We left the house, it was like 85 degrees out. I think it's about 82, 84 degrees right now Fahrenheit. And there's a lot of people up here just wearing sneakers and shorts and stuff, and it's pretty fun to see everybody out here. So we're at Paradise at Mount Rainier. It's pretty beautiful, amazing to be out in a t-shirt in the 80-degree sun in the snow. You feel a little bit of the coolness of the snow, and you feel the heat of the sun. It's pretty fantastic. So we're having a good time, enjoying the sunshine, enjoying summertime. So it's just good to be out in nature. God is good. Feeling blessed today. So found this chill spot here, Mount Rainier in the distance. I got my, what are we eating today? Some chili mac, the Ready Wise adventure meals. And I know if I was back home, these wouldn't taste like that great, but when you're burning calories, you're high altitude, exhausted from climbing, this stuff tastes really good. And I don't know, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I'm not sure if I've ever washed this spoon ever, and I'm going on how many years? Maybe, I don't know, 8 years, or that's being maybe it's more like 15 years. I've had this Ozarks Trail 88-cent Walmart long spoon. I usually take some snow or water, and this is me washing it. Don't tell my wife, this is how I clean it. Oh my gosh. It's cool. It doesn't survive in this cold, does it? We'll just bury it in the snow for a second. That should be healthy. It's sanitary, right? All right. They say what? Just rub a little dirt on it? Okay. Here we go. Let's see how tasty this thing is. The chili mac. The high desert chili mac. I always put too much or not enough liquid in here. Still looks pretty watery. I'm not sure if the noodles and everything's going to be good. Yeah, let's get a little bite going here. Not sure if you can see that with the sunlight here, but Yeah, probably could cook a little bit longer, but man, and look at that view. God is good. Life is good. So it would have been cool if I had a napkin of some sort, but we got snow. But so my challenge to you watching this, if you made it this far in the video, do something impromptu this weekend, next weekend. Get in your vehicle, drive somewhere, and say, you know, I'm going to go check it out. I wasn't expecting a snow hike, wasn't expecting this kind of beautiful day, but sometimes that's the best impromptu thing to do, is just go, right? Red team, go. Just go. Don't think, just go. Be safe. Be safe. And go. Thanks for stopping by. Talk to you soon.